How to convert volume button as a power button. For that you need to use a third-party apps called Button Mapper. If you open your Google Play Store, then you can see these apps. So once it's installed, just press on open, then allow the background uses permission and open setting and give the permission. So once done, and then press on volume up or volume down, anything. Press on customize. Now press on a long press, select this option, select, and customize is at our dialog. Now go back, remember this thing, volume up, then you can see the power button is enabled now. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. If you want to disable it again, just uninstall that apps, that will be disabled. Now if you press on the power volume up, then it will be volume button again. Thank you. Have a good day.